All right, so hopefully now you have a website that's got some things on it. It's got some headers of different sizes. It has some paragraphs with different content. Hopefully it has more than what I wrote in my web page. Mine's pretty boring right now. And now we're gonna add some style. Like I said before, we're gonna use CSS to do the style of the web page. I'm gonna do this inline, which is right inside the HTML. You could put it in its own separate file or in this CSS box over here, but I want you guys to have something that you could copy straight from the JS Fiddle, paste it into an HTML document on your computer, and run it from your computer without doing anything else. If we were to do CSS in its own file, we'd have to link it in our HTML document. To add some style to our web page, I'm going to go inside the starter tag for our body. I'm going to type style, all caps, equals, and then 2 quotes. Inside these quotes, we're going to make some style rules. The first style rule I'm going to make is for the background color of my web page. So I'm going to type background dash color and then a colon. That's the attribute. After the colon, we're going to put the value. So I like cyan. Let's click run. And now you see this website has a beautiful background color. You can try different colors if you want, like pink or lavender. You can also combine words like light blue. You want to make sure that when you do that, it's all lowercase, all one word. I encourage you to experiment with different colors. If you find that a color that you've put shows up as white, which is the default, it means you probably spelled it wrong, or you formatted it wrong, you put a space, or you made something capital when it shouldn't be, or that word doesn't exist as a color. If you wanted extra colors, you could use the hexadecimal codes. If you search hex codes for CSS, you'll find a huge number of those. All right, so the next thing I'm going to add is a font color. I'm going to put a semicolon. On my keyboard, that's under the colon button, which is to the left of my right-hand enter key. So the semicolon separates style rules. I'm going to type color and then a colon. Color is the attribute for the font color. And now I'm going to pick a different color for my font so it shows up against that background, maybe dark blue. So I've got a light blue background and dark blue text. That looks pretty cool. I encourage you guys to keep playing around with this, keep working on your fiddle, and if you're interested in learning how to do more with HTML or CSS, look up a bunch of online resources. There are a lot of great free online classes in this. And Knodemy also has a lot of programs for teaching HTML and CSS. Hope you enjoyed it.